Hi everyone! If you've had a great experience with a seller, let them know. Here's how you can quickly leave a seller review on the Bookstore Multivendor Marketplace. Click the Marketplace icon. Once the Marketplace landing page is open, scroll down to the Featured Seller section. Select the seller you want to review. After the seller's profile opens, find the Review tab and click on it. Now, click the Write a Review button. Share your rating, describe your experience, leave a comment, and finally hit the Submit button. Initially, your review will not appear on the seller's profile. Once the admin approves your review, it will be visible. To approve reviews, log in to the admin panel, go to Marketplace, and then Seller Review. When the page opens, check the Review checkbox, go to Select Action, choose Update Status, and select Approve. Finally, click Agree. Once the review is approved, it will appear on the seller's profile, where you can view it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.